Hi there, let's learn about the houses, different types of houses. First one is condominium, and here you see the picture number 5, or condo. And second one is a townhouse, and next one is a mobile house, and after that is a college, dormitory or dorm. It can be in school dorm, or university dormitory. And this is a farm, and senior housing here, and nursing home, the houses of the old people, and they will be put there to live, and shelter, that's it. And also there's a ranch, this is for house, or I can also add here an ox stall, which is for a cow and sheep, like that. Thank you, good luck.